Cycling very heavy. You cannot do this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to cycle. So
not really cycling.
We are here at the beach to cycle because the last cycling video was like a year ago. So this is our anniversary.
Cycling anniversary.
Yes. And
It
yeah,
was very fun that time.
it was quite fun. So now we are recreating the video again and bring you guys along. And let me show you guys the beach.
It's quite hot now.
It's the beach. And there's so many kids because holiday has started.
The four seater.
Yeah. I don't think you can see from here. But yeah. Let's go.
We can't cycle, by the way, like the two-wheel ones.
Oh yeah. We can't cycle these bikes because we suck. So we're gonna cycle a tricycle instead.
We'll see what it looks like later.
Yeah, bring you guys along. Let's go. My cap, I think my ponytail is a bit too high.
Put it through the hole. Oh. You look like a postman.
Look at the sea. It's quite quiet now because I think just now it was raining, so everyone left.
Oh, the plane, Singapore Airlines.
Oh yeah, I don't think you can see on camera. But we are walking to the bicycle place and we'll update you guys. We are gonna cycle all the way to the airport because we are healthy and fit and young people.
You want to up?
I think need to up. My leg very long.
No, right.
Go. Your leg can touch the floor or not?
You making vlog, madam? Hello.
Yeah.
Making vlog?
Yeah.
Which channel?
Huh? No, I just do it for fun.
So,
Yeah.
you don't
Okay,
have
go
any
park
channel?
now. Just do it for fun.
Seriously?
Yeah, for
Just,
fun.
never
Yeah.
It's raining leh.
Seriously cannot scooter at all. What time you was 40?
I checked if the phone is in the bag. It feels very far away. Like even though you're very near, it feels very far away. Yeah. Oh, going backwards.
Let go.
Going backwards.
Oh, it's here! I found it! I found the hills! It's here! It's here! Show you guys how fast I'm going. Actually, it doesn't look very fast on the GoPro, but it's actually quite fast. Bye. I like the breeze! Where's she? Is she missing? Ooh, ooh. Whoa. Whoa, I'm scared of fall. I'm just cycling with one hand. To go real slow. Even though it's like a tricycle, right? But it's still quite scary. I fell once. Like our previous cycling adventure, I fell. Whoa, steep. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, this bike is not as stable.
Really?
Yeah.
Bye bye. Good luck.
Go.
Sure, we are conquering that. Ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god.
Whoa!
Wait, you can do it. You can do it this time.
Yay!
Yay! She conquered it. Yay! Yay! She conquered it. Congratulations. I stay here, you go. You got water? What you buy water?
I feel like buying isotonic drink.
Oh. I can't drink. Hey, look at the dog.
I got isotonic drink because I'm thirsty.
Question is, can you open it? Oh, you can't open it. Oh, surprised. She's very far away. Gotta catch up to her. As usual. Now look at all these tents here. People just picnicking with their dogs. Oh my god, there's 3 dogs. Picnicking or just sleeping, resting. It's a very good day today to have a picnic. Oh my god, there's beds inside these tents. Glamping. Oh!
I'm a bit busy. Stop, let me stop, let me stop. I'm not stopping.
Why are you not stopping?
I don't know why am I not stopping. Hiya, why so low? I push you. Ready ah? Where? Hiya. Oh my god.
Go away! No. Oh my god! What are you doing there? He on purpose one.
On purpose lah.
He was smiling at me when he was standing in front of me. I feel like it's gonna rain. The sky is quite dark, but there's a lot of people at the beach. We are still cycling, as you can see. This is a 3-wheeler. Look at the sea and the clouds. It's so nice and peaceful. Then suddenly you have a cow here. I spy a cow. Okay. Oh, there's a dinosaur. Oh,
Hey, don't block.
Oh, you look very dark in here.
Okay, it's gonna rain, guys. And we have about 30 minutes of cycling. I'm not sure if we can reach, but we'll try our best. Look, it's really very cloudy right now. Very dark. But let's go. It's so much better cycling like this, you know, after I really start my seat. Let me show you guys how fast I usually go on a tricycle. And then I'll just stop riding after for a while. Soak in the breeze. It's gonna rain. And then we have school outings. Is it school outings over here? I think they have a school camp. Wow. Do you see that yellow color tower in front? Actually, this tower is said to be haunted. Very long time ago, there used to be a murder case and the killers were never caught. So it is said that the lady who was murdered, right, still haunts this building. I mean, this tower, I mean. But I wouldn't dare to go up. Oh, what a brave couple. Just to show you guys how dark this is. If you're caught in the rain, we're dead. Essentially dead. I didn't want to bring my umbrella, so I guess I'll be cycling in the rain if that happens. Oh shit, it's damn dark. Something got in my eye. Let's see, let's catch up to her. Bye. Haha, we're first. Oh my god, it's gonna rain. I cannot see.
It's a good idea.
Wait. Where my cat?
Go.
Wait. Wait. Okay, I can see it.
What's the point?
Let's go. Challenger bag. Oh my god, we are cycling in the rain. Oh my holy shit. Yeah, I think we really need to hide. We really need to hide. This is too heavy. Oh. Hey, I put this picture first. Okay, the rain is too heavy. Oh, the rain is too heavy, guys, to cycle. It's too heavy. You look, cannot cycle in this weather, lah. Oh my god. Guys, the epitome of fashion is here. Shit, I cannot see right in front. Oh my god. It's currently raining. Oh shit, the lens got. And we are cycling in the rain. She has an umbrella. I don't have an umbrella. I only have a cap. Sorry, no one is in front of you. Power through. Power through. Swing. I don't think you can see the rain here, but rainwater keeps going to my mouth. Shit, it's getting very heavy. I cannot do this. I need to hide.
Super wet. I'm super wet.
That was me just now in the heavier rain.
Terrible right now. I'm in the rain. Oh gosh.
The rain is getting heavier. We decided to not power through and return the bikes here, so we are not going Changi Airport anymore. That's sad because yeah, we have a lot of valuables that are quite heavy, and the ride is about 40 plus minutes to Changi Airport. Our rental ends in about 15 minutes. I don't think we can reach in time because given the rain, right, really cannot. So yeah, I'm so sad, guys. Like, we didn't manage to recreate the vlog that we did previously. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless.